What is first aid?
As the term itself suggests, first aid is the first and immediate assistance given to somebody who's hurt or ill, before the doctor arrives.
What are the key aims of first aid?
The primary aims of first aid can be summarized with the acronym of the 3 Ps. Preserving life, preventing further harm, promoting recovery.
What is a first aid kit?
The first aid kit is a portable container of medicines, supplies, and information. It is kept for situations in which quick medical attention is needed for minor injuries.
How the idea of first aid kit came into existence.
A fateful conversation inspired the creation of First Aid Kit, which was released in 1888 by Johnson & Johnson. Till 2021, the concept of first aid box has been 133 years old. The occurrences behind creation of first aid box go like this. Aboard a train heading to Colorado for vacation, company founder Robert Wood Johnson struck up a conversation with the Denver and Rio Grande Railway's chief surgeon. The doctor explained to Johnson the dangers of railroad construction and the lack of medical supplies to treat the unique industrial injuries that were often incurred great distances from hospitals. From this exchange, Johnson saw an opportunity to both advance the field of healthcare and build his young business. And from this modern need, the commercial first aid kit was born.
What are the recommended tools or medics that an ideal first aid kit supposed to contain?
The first aid kit can, of course, be as simple or as elaborate as you like. Here's a list of recommended tools or medics that an ideal first aid box supposed to contain.